Hi everyone, this is Cindy and welcome to Wondershare Filmii's channel. Today we're going to teach you how to record and edit a voiceover in Filmii. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to receive the latest video releases. If there's anything you want to learn about Wondershare Filmii, let us know in the comment. Voiceover is a production technique where a voice is recorded for off-screen use and can be used to help describe, highlight, explain, or provide additional context to a video. Here is how you can record a voiceover in Wondershare Filmii. Click Start from Scratch and go to the timeline editor. Click Import and select the video clip you would like to add voiceover to. Drag and drop this clip to the timeline so the video preview will play at the same time as you record the voiceover. This will help match the video to your voiceover. Next, click the small microphone button on the right to open the voiceover panel. Once you click the microphone button, options will appear to allow you to choose the recording settings. If you've connected an external microphone, you can choose that microphone to record with. Select the microphone you'd like to record with. If the microphone you want isn't showing up here, click the refresh button. Adjust the volume to make sure your input level around the middle, so the volume is not too loud or too low. To give yourself some extra time to get ready, turn on the countdown button so there will be a 3-second countdown before the recording starts. Mute Project will mute all the sounds in your project. Turn it on if you're going to start the recording while the video preview is playing on speaker, or if you don't want to get distracted by the audio in your project. Move the playhead to where you want to start talking, and click Record when you're ready to go. Sometimes there may be an unwanted noise in your recording. To remove the background noise, double-click the audio track to open the Edit panel on the right. Turn on denoise and choose from Weak, Mid, Strong to determine the strength of how the noise is going to be reduced. If the denoise feature is not enough to bring the result you want, adding background music can help cover any unwanted background noise in a natural way. And here is how you record and edit a voiceover in Filmii. If you find this video useful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. What else do you want to know about Wondershare Filmii? Let us know in the comments.